Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to cut in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, open your Adobe Premiere Pro and select the video you want to edit. Position the playhead at the point where you want to make the cut. Now select the razor tool from the toolbars or press C on your keyboard. Click on the timeline at the desired point to cut the clip. You can now delete the unwanted clip by selecting it and pressing delete. To move the clip, use the selection tool B to drag and rearrange them. So that's it, it's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.